back to Sidewalk Mechanics. Today we're doing rear brakes on this 2008 Chevy Impala. We got it jacked up and we're gonna start cracking on it.
Woo.
Tight one. We're taking off the two 14mm caliper bolts. That one there, and that one down there.
Fuck. It has that.
Okay, that's the bottom caliper bolt. We're gonna re-grease that up, clean it off. And there is the top one. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, that's not.
That is not good at all. So it looks like our top caliper slide pin is fucking fucked. Okay, so this is how to turn a 30-minute job into a 2-hour job. So now we just picked up the new brake pins, and we got some lunch on the way, the Wendy's 4 for $4, and now we're going to finish the job. Alright, we're back from lunch, and now we're gonna try and get that shit out of there. So the next step is going to be take out the caliper brackets. Or caliper bracket bolts. We got one here and one down the bottom. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, that's the top one. On to the bottom one. Oh, that one was light work.
Yeah. I'm trying a little bit harder here.
Oh, wait. Alright, we got that bottom bolt out. Now we're going to see if we could get the rest of that broken pin out of the top there. Okay, so there's the piece of broken pin. And if you look down that one, there's no pin. So we're going to try banging on it, see if we can get it to fall out. We're banging a little bit. So again, we're trying to drill out this pin that broke. Got my center punch. We're going to punch it and try and drill it out here. Try to get it right in the center. Alright, we're going to drill it with the small bit first.
Two hours later.
Focus. Okay. We're up to a bigger drill. That's what it looks like now.
Two hours later.
Whoa. Feisty. Okay, after fucking around with drilling it for a while, this is where we're at here. Try and get a... And we almost got it out. Alright, well, we gave up. Took the caliper off and pinched off the hose there. We're just gonna go get a new fucking caliper assembly because it's only 50 bucks and we can't get the old pin out. Fuck! Okay, so back at it here. We're back. We got a brandy new caliper and caliper bracket. Got this pinched off. We're gonna clean up this area here and down there. We're gonna slap her on and get going. Okay, next step to get this rotor off, we got the T30 Torx here. Holy fucking shit. It came right out. Oh my god. Well, at least something's finally going right here. There she is. Sweet. Time for the new rotor. And we got these puppies from Rock Auto. Is that the part number? 55125 maybe. Sweet. Alright. I got the new puppy on there. We're gonna put in this bastard screw just ever so loosely so it doesn't kill us next time we go to do it. Okay, taking apart the bracket we just got from AutoZone. Going up the stairs to get the brake grease. Do, 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 do. Sweet. Pins are greased. Okay, bolts going back in. And now the bottom guy.
Tying it until it snaps.
Yep. Okay, fucking problem the next. We are at Tractor Supply. Just got some fucking washers because they gave us the wrong part for the goddamn caliper. Oh, this is turning out to be quite the brake job, but this is how it goes. Okay, so the problem is when this is pressed up against the rotor and you go to put this on, the gap when you put the bolt through, the gap pulls it tight and it presses it against the rotor, and the rotor will not turn, which in turn would destroy the caliper bracket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put washers in between. Focus. We're gonna put washers in between there so it's not clamping directly onto the rotor. Okay, so problem solved. Now we have the washers between the bracket and the body. We have them down there too. You can see them. And we're gonna get this freaking disaster of a job done. Finally. Woo! Okay, now we got the new caliper. We're gonna pop this out and hook it up to the hose there. Hose is hooked up, putting the slide pins on, or the clips. Alright, got our hose on there. Got this in place. We're gonna install the slide pins and then finally it will be done. Woo!
You're fucked.
Okay, caliper bolts going back in. Almost done. Alright, time to bleed her. I'm not going to do a video on bleeding. That's going to have to be another video. So, come up here. Of course, because this is a terrible job. This is broken. Alright, we got the old Kentucky Widowmaker going. Let's see, is that holder? Alright. Here's to brake fluid in your eye. Alright, go ahead, press it.
Hold it?
Yep. Alright, let it up. Alright, go ahead, press it. Okay, let it up. Okay, so I didn't record an outro to this video because it was just taking way too long. But if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Peace.